Hey there, future chemists. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are tackling a crucial topic in organic chemistry, the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Ready to decode the names of these molecules? Let's dive right in. IUPAC stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It's an organization that sets the standard rules for naming organic compounds, ensuring consistency and clarity worldwide. Organic compounds primarily consist of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and other elements. The IUPAC name of an organic compound is based on its structure, the carbon chain, functional groups, and substituents. Naming of organic compounds consists of 4 parts: prefix, word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. Prefix depends upon type of substituent attached to the longest continuous chain. Please pause the video and copy the chart in your notebook. You can memorize it later. Next is word root. Word root depends upon number of carbon atoms in longest continuous chain. Please pause the video and copy the chart in your notebook. You can memorize it later. Next is primary suffix. Primary suffix depends upon type of bond present between carbon-carbon atoms. Please pause the video and copy the chart in your notebook. You can memorize it later. Next is secondary suffix. Secondary suffix depends upon type of functional group present in the longest continuous chain. Please pause the video and copy the chart in your notebook. You can memorize it later. Let's learn the rules for naming the compound step by step. Step 1. Identify the longest carbon chain. Step 2. Count the number the carbon atoms in the chain. Step 3. Identify the type of bonds, functional group and substituents present and name them. Step 4. Combine the names and arrange them in the order of prefix, word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Let's walk through the naming process step by step with a few examples. In this example, we can see that there is 5 carbon atom in longest chain. Hence the word root is pent. We can also see that only single bond is present between carbon atoms, hence the primary suffix is ane. On combining word root and primary suffix, we can say that the name of compound is pentane. Let's see another example. Can you count how many carbon atoms are present in the longest chain? Yes, it's 4. So word root is but. Can you say what type of bond is present between carbon-carbon atoms? Yes, it is single bond. Hence the primary suffix is ane. You can see CH3 group or methyl group is present as substituent and is attached to the second carbon from the left, so the prefix will be 2-methyl. Let's name this compound. Start with the parent chain, which has 4 carbon atoms, making it butane. Number the chain to give the substituents the lowest numbers. A bromine, bromo, group is on the second carbon, and a methyl group is on the third carbon. Combine them to get the name 2-bromo, 3-methylbutane. Time for some practice. Here are a few molecules for you to name. Pause the video, try naming them, and write the answers in comment box. Remember, naming organic compounds follows a systematic process. Identify the longest carbon chain, number it, name the prefix, word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix, and combine them all together. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.